Here's a little Excel tutorial on how to remove duplicates from your data. So let's go here to a random name generator to get ourselves a list of names. Let's go for 30 here. Cool. Now I'm just gonna copy these names and Command C and paste them in 3 times to make sure we have the data here 3 times. Cool. Command V all around. Now I'm just gonna select this whole thing, Command A, and quickly just alphabetize it so you can see the names are repeated here 3 times. Okay, so some people would just now go and delete row by row all the duplicates and whatnot. But Excel actually has a built-in function for this. So again, Command A to select your whole list, and then you just go here to the data tab, and you click here, remove duplicates, and okay. They've been removed. 30 unique values remain, which were our 30 original names. There we go. Now there is no need to actually alphabetize the list. It can do it without that. That was just so you could clearly see them being removed. Cool. Thanks for watching.